Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to video call an inmate in 2025. Whether you're a family member, friend, or legal representative, staying connected is more important than ever, and with advancements in tech, it's easier and more secure. Let's break this down step by step so you can do it confidently. First things first, you need to check eligibility. In 2025, most correctional facilities use advanced platforms like the Federal Inmate Communication System, FIX, or similar apps. Start by visiting the official website of the facility where your loved one is held. You'll have to verify your identity, think government ID scans and biometric checks to ensure security. Once you're cleared, download the required app from a trusted source, like the App Store or Google Play. These apps are AI-powered now, with features like real-time translation and emotion detection for better interactions. Next, schedule your call. Inmates have set time slots, so log in, select an available slot, and confirm. It's like booking a video meeting, but with extra approvals. On the day of the call, ensure you have a stable internet connection and a device with a camera. Tablets or computers work best. When the time comes, open the app, enter your credentials, and connect. Remember, calls are monitored, so keep it appropriate and positive. A few tips to make this smooth. Test your setup beforehand to avoid glitches. Respect time limits, usually 15 to 30 minutes, and prepare what you want to say since distractions are minimized. If you run into issues, contact the facility's support line. They're equipped with chatbots for quick help. By following these steps, you'll bridge the distance effectively. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and stay connected.